First time. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're doing good. My name is Cynthia. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. So in this video we're going to be making a short dress. This is what we're going to be making today. I'm going to be combining my print. I'll be using two different types of African print. So as you can see, this yellow matches with the yellow here. I will use the biggest part of the body to cut out the fabric. That's the hip measurement. And I added some allowance to it. So I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 inches to the measurement. There is no zip allowance. It's a free dress. My fabric is folded into two, both this and the back. So I'm going to be cutting both of them together. The length of my dress is 43 inches plus sewing allowance. I'm starting my measurement right from here, so I'll be cutting this out. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'm going to be extending the shoulder. So I'll be adding 10 inches to the shoulder. I added 10 inches to it. I will take 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neck. That's the neck width. I will take 2 inches for the back depth. Then 4 inches for the front depth. I'll connect the lines. This is the back one. And this is the front neckline. I will go to this side and take 1.5 inches for shoulder slope. And I will connect it right from the neckline here. On this side, I will place my round sleeve or arm opening. So I will make mine 10 or 11 inches. Depend on how wide you want yours to be. So I'm taking 11 inches. So this is now the chest line. From shoulder to waist is 17 inches plus half inch sewing allowance. I'll mark my 17.5 inches here. From waist to hip is 8 inches plus half inch sewing allowance. That is 8.5 inches. So make my line. So I'll place the circumference measurement. My bust measurement is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. I'll mark 10.5 inches here. I'll be adding 2 to 3 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I'm adding 3 inches to it. So right on this chest line, I place my bust measurement. So I will go to the waistline. The waist measurement is 36 inches. Divided by 4 is 9 inches. I will add 3 inches to it for ease and sewing allowance. The hip measurement is 46 inches. Divided by 4 is 11.5 inches. So I will add 3 inches for ease, then add 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'll connect the lines together from the chest line to the waistline, and from waist to hip. I'll go to the down part, that's the bottom of the dress. I'll check what I have here. I have 16 inches. So I will go to the down part and place 14 or 15 inches. Minus 2 inches from this side and mark 14 inches here. So this side is going to be a little bit bogus. So I will connect it from here to this side. Make a curve on this side. So that's it. I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I will cut out the back neckline first. So I'll cut out the back neckline and later on I can cut out the front one. So I will split both of them into two because I'll be mixing up the fabric. What I'll call the front neckline. I'll take one of these and take one of these. So I'll use these two for the front one. So I'm going to cut the neckline again. I'm cutting out 4 inches for the front neckline. So we cut out the neck facing. So I will take a fabric and lay this against the fabric and trace my neck facing out. So I'll do the same thing to the back panel. I'll be adding normal pocket to one side and I'll be adding a wide pocket to the left side. So I will use this for the wide pocket. The length of the pocket is 12 inches and the weight is 10 inches. This one will be here, and I will go ahead and cut out the side pocket. This one will be very visible. The side one will be normal pocket. So to cut out the side pocket, I will fold my fabric into two because I'm cutting out two at a time. I will place my hand like so. So I will take it like so and then add some space to it. So we are done with the cutting. We go ahead and put the fabric together. And I will take one part of this print and one part of this print. I will join them together. So this is the back one. I will use 1/2 inch to join them here. Then for the front one, I will also join them here. We leave about 5 inches unsewed here. I will leave this place open. There will be a slit here because I want the dress to go through the neck freely. I will start sewing it right from here all the way to the bottom of the dress. So I'll finish joining both prints together. I've also used the neck facing to turn the neckline. I sew it here, right side facing each other, and I flip it to the other side. I left 5 inches unsewed, so I will stitch up this place. I will take 1/4 inch twice and then sew here. Before we join them together, I will attach the pocket. So this is the wide open pocket. I'll be placing it here. So from there to there, I'll measure 19 inches. I'm not going to straight it. I'll bend it like so. So I've ironed 1/2 inch inside around. So I'll use pin to hold it to the fabric. So this is 1/2 inch. You take it inside before sewing the pocket to the dress. Make sure you hem the upper part here 1/2 inch before attaching it to the dress. So I will sew it here, here, and here. So for the side pocket, I will measure 19 inches right from my shoulder. I'll take one of the pockets. Right side of the pocket is facing the right side of the dress. So I will attach it here. So I will sew it here. I will do the same thing for this other side. Measure 19 inches. 19 inches. So right side facing each other, so we also sew it here. So after that, then we join this side together. I will go ahead and join the shoulders together. Then use 1 inch to hem the side. My sewing allowance is 1 inch. I will take 1 inch right from here and sew it all the way to the down part. I will do the same thing on this side. Take it from here, go to the pocket, take it like so, sew it from here, and then take it to the down part. So I've finished joining the sides together. So this is the pocket and this is the other pocket. I will hem the sleeve and the button of the dress. So I will take 1/2 inch twice and then hem it round. I will hem the button of the dress also. So guys, this is the finished look of the dress. This is the down part. So I've hemmed the sleeve and the button of the dress. This is the side pocket. And this is the open pocket. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I will see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. I love you guys. Bye.